early bird's sunny day. Lily was a sleepy girl. Every morning her alarm clock rang loudly, but Lily stayed in bed. 5 more minutes, she always thought. She often woke up late and felt rushed. One sunny Saturday, Lily decided to try something new. "Today, I will wake up early," she said. Her alarm rang at 6 a.m. It was still dark outside, but Lily got up. She went to the window. The sky was changing colors, pink, orange, and yellow. It was very beautiful. Lily felt happy and calm. She went to the kitchen. It was quiet. No one else was awake. Lily made a cup of tea. She sat by the window and watched the sun rise higher. Birds sang outside. Then Lily decided to draw. She loved to draw, but usually she had no time. Today, she had lots of time. She drew a picture of the sunrise and the singing birds. Later, her family woke up. "Good morning, Lily," said her mom. "You are very early today." Lily smiled. "Yes, I am." She helped her mom make breakfast. They had eggs, toast, and juice. It was a nice breakfast together. After breakfast, Lily still had time. She read her favorite book. She played with her dog in the garden. The air was fresh and cool. At lunch, Lily felt good. She was not tired. She had done many things. She felt productive and happy. Waking up early is great, thought Lily. I have more time for everything. I see beautiful things. I feel calm. I can do my hobbies. I can help my family. From that day, Lily tried to wake up early every day. She loved the quiet mornings. She loved the colorful sunrises. She loved having more time. She became an early bird, and her days were always sunny and bright